Hi everybody, it's Food Pantry Day, and not a bad little haul. It is a little haul, but it's not a bad one at all. We got a chicken curry with basmati lemon rice. We got Angus beef meatballs, yum. We got some tenderloin pork medallions. Those look pretty good. We got some sweet Italian sausage. I'm going to pick up a bag of tortellini and make Emma a sausage and tortellini cream soup, which, oh my goodness, she loved that the last time I made it, and I just made it up off the top of my head. So, it was great. We got some Genoa salami and maple brown sugar ham. I like that. We got a can of tuna fish and a Starbucks caramel Keurig cup things. Some grab-and-go peeled apple slices. Again, gonna throw them into an applesauce because my kids, they just love applesauce. We got a Modern Pantry shelf-stable milk. I love those. Don't take up room in my refrigerator. We got some dark red kidney beans. Some fruit mix. Fruit cocktail type thing. We got 2 bags of mixed vegetables. It's soup season. You can't ask for enough things of mixed vegetables. Those are so great to have on hand. We got a cranberry and orange salad kit. I've never had. Bonduel. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Haven't got a clue. But I've never had that, but it sounds good. Cranberry orange. I love cranberry orange. We got some Papa's corn grit. I think it's grits. Quick cooking grits. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Never tried it. We got some more plums, of course. It definitely is plum season. Getting rid of those plums. We got some pumpkin donut holes. Some macaroni elbows. Never can have enough of those in this household either. Oh, Emma and Greg just love pasta. Savory garlic loaf. Love those. Some potatoes back there. A whole bunch more good looking apples. Those are great. A spaghetti squash. Pepper. And 3 tomatoes in there. And then a couple of these unsweetened applesauce cups. You know, if your kids like them flavored and you do the water flavors, take a packet of that water flavor, stick it in the applesauce. Oh my goodness, flavors it so good. No added sugar. I know other chemicals, I get it. But I do the water flavors. I'm a chemical person, I guess. But it keeps me from drinking all the soda. I don't know which one is worse. So there we go. That's what I do. But I love them. Like I said, they can have so many different flavors of the water flavor. If they want a blue raspberry applesauce, they can have a blue raspberry applesauce. If they want a bubblegum flavored one, because I have bubblegum flavored water flavors, they can have a bubblegum applesauce. You know? Those water flavors, me and Emma use them in a lot of things. Not just for water flavoring. We've used them in cakes before to flavor cakes. You name it, we've tried it. So anyway, that's my food pantry haul for today. Hope you enjoyed watching. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you on the next one.